In this video, we will show the best flame lights available to buy. At number 10. En-Lite Blue LED Bulb Flame. This is the one decoration that can be left up this year. We all love the feeling that a flickering flame gives off when we are cozy in the lounge or bedroom. At number 9. Zorbes KWB LED Flame Effect Fire Light Bulbs. It is creative with flickering emulation lamp. It has two modes. It is a very good product. It has an LED flame effect. At number 8. SHIVEXIM Dancing Flame LED Candle. These LED pillar candles resemble perfectly to live flame candles. Dripping wax shape replicates the flame shape and function as original. At number 7. Satyam Bright Fire Flickering Flame. It is an energy-saving LED light source, replacement of traditional gas lantern, like retrofit oil lamp or hurricane lamp. At number 6. VRCT LED Burning Fire Effect Flicker Flame. The decorative fire effect lamp realistically simulates natural fire flame. Features flickering flame, no open flame, for a safe and energy-saving LED light source. At number 5. UpToDateProduct Plastic Flame Lamp. It provides the light effects to be more lifelike. Brings you a black triangle chain for easy installing. Flame lamp artificial fire hanging light for party, holiday decoration. At number 4. CITRA LED Flickering Flame Light Bulbs. The flame lamp simulates natural flame, flickering flame light bulbs, no open flame, safe and energy-saving LED light source. At number 3. Hardoll Solar Flickering Flame Lights. It uses solar energy to charge itself. It collects solar energy all day, and it automatically turns on at dusk, casting a soft and pleasant light on its. At number 2. KACOOL LED Flame Effect Light Bulb. The artificial vivid fire, dynamic moving flame, simulate nature fire flicker flame, wonderful of the traditional gas lantern. At number 1. Quace Flame Hanging Decorative Atmosphere Lamp. It won't light up under bright ambient. Press the button down, it will get charged during daytime and turn on automatically at night. The warm charming flicking lighting resembles the flame.